Welcome to the world of keto. This diet is changing lives. It's all about fat for fuel. You'll reduce carbs dramatically. Instead of relying on glucose from carbs, your body enters ketosis. This metabolic state burns fat for energy. It's incredibly effective for weight loss. But the benefits go far beyond that. Ready to feel amazing? Let's dive deeper into the keto lifestyle. It's about nourishing your body and achieving optimal health. The keto diet offers a multitude of health benefits, making it a popular choice for those looking to improve their overall well-being. Weight loss is a major one, of course. Many people turn to keto to shed those extra pounds effectively and sustainably. But it also improves blood sugar control, which is crucial for those managing diabetes. Additionally, it reduces inflammation, a key factor in many chronic diseases, and boosts brain function, enhancing cognitive abilities. Many people experience increased energy levels and mental clarity on keto, allowing them to perform better in their daily activities and feel more alert throughout the day. It can even improve skin health and reduce acne, giving you a clearer, more radiant complexion. The science behind keto is strong, with numerous studies supporting its benefits. Studies show its effectiveness for various health conditions, from epilepsy to metabolic syndrome, making it a versatile dietary approach. But always consult your doctor before making major dietary changes to ensure it's the right fit for your individual health needs and conditions. Eating keto is all about choosing whole, unprocessed foods. These foods are nutrient-dense and help you stay full longer, making it easier to stick to your diet. Healthy fats are your new best friend. They provide energy and help your body absorb essential vitamins. Think avocados, olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish. These foods are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain health. Load up on non-starchy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and cauliflower. These veggies are low in carbs but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Protein is essential too. Choose grass-fed meat, poultry, eggs, and seafood. These sources of protein are more nutritious and support muscle maintenance. Avoid sugary drinks, processed foods, and refined grains. These items are high in empty calories and can derail your progress. These will spike your blood sugar and kick you out of ketosis. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for staying in ketosis and burning fat efficiently. Say goodbye to bread, pasta, and sugary treats. These foods are high in carbs and can quickly knock you out of ketosis, making it harder to achieve your health goals. Eating keto doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Here are 3 easy recipes to get you started. Creamy avocado smoothie, a delicious and healthy treat. Ingredients: half an avocado, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 scoop collagen peptides, a handful of fresh spinach, and stevia to taste. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth and creamy. Enjoy for a quick, nutritious breakfast or a refreshing snack anytime. Flavorful spinach and feta chicken. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 cup spinach, half a cup feta cheese, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place chicken breasts in a baking dish. Top with spinach, feta cheese, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until chicken is cooked through. Satisfying keto chocolate mousse. Ingredients: 1 avocado, 1/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup unsweetened almond milk, 2 tablespoons stevia, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth and creamy. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow the mousse to thicken. Enjoy this guilt-free dessert. Embracing a healthier you with keto. The keto diet is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle change that can transform your life. It's about making sustainable choices for your health and well-being, focusing on long-term benefits. Start by gradually reducing your carb intake and incorporating more healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, and nuts. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes and find what works best for you. Cooking can be a fun and creative process. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Sharing experiences with others can be incredibly motivating. There's a supportive keto community out there ready to help you succeed. Join forums, social media groups, and local meetups. Embrace the challenge, enjoy the process, and celebrate your progress along the way. Every small victory counts. You've got this.